Who's riding on the choo-choo train, Maya?
The block riding on it.
Oh no! You tried to save it. We just have to build another tower, don't we?
Mommy can build another tower.
And Maya build another tower? Yeah.
They're going to sleep.
Are they going to sleep?
No, they're resting.
They're resting?
Yeah.
Would you like to rest, Maya?
No.
Would you like to go to sleep?
No.
Oh, look at that. Are those blocks silly?
Let mommy laugh.
Let Maya laugh. Do you like to laugh?
Yeah. Laughing fun. They're fun. It's fun. Oh. Oh, dinner. Oh, dinner. It doesn't fit in there. It doesn't fit in there.
That fits in there.
That butterfly doesn't fit in there.
Yes, it does.
It's not working.
That looks like it's working to me.
It doesn't go in the snake one. It doesn't go in the lion one. Where should it go?
There it is. You did it.
Look. Look what I found.
What did you find?
A butterfly in there. Here, Mommy.
Thank you, Maya.